Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Zachariah here, and I am absolutely buzzing for today's video. We're going to get stuck into a really important topic, something I see tripping people up all the time on their fitness journey. Today we're busting the 5 biggest fitness myths people still believe. Honestly, some of these are so common, you've probably heard them from a friend, a family member, or maybe even seen them online. They sound believable, but trust me, they're not doing you any favors. These myths aren't just harmless old wives' tales. They can seriously hold you back and stop you from seeing the incredible results you're working so hard for. Believing this stuff can lead to frustration, disappointment, and sometimes even make you want to give up altogether. I've been there myself, feeling confused by all the conflicting advice out there. It's like trying to navigate a maze blindfolded, isn't it? Well, not anymore. My mission today is to cut through all that noise, give you the proper facts, and empower you with the right knowledge. We're going to smash these myths to pieces so you can move forward with confidence, train smarter, and finally start making the progress you truly deserve. So grab a water, get comfy, and let's get ready to learn and feel fantastic. Let's do this. Right then, let's kick things off with a massive one, a proper classic that I hear all the time, especially from women. It's the myth that lifting weights will make you bulky. I can almost hear it now. But Zach, I don't want to look like a bodybuilder, I just want to tone up. I get it. I really do. The image of massive, veiny muscles can be intimidating, but I'm here to tell you that for the vast majority of us, it's simply not going to happen by accident. It's a complete myth. Building that kind of huge, bodybuilder-style muscle mass is incredibly difficult. It requires a very specific, intense training regimen, lifting extremely heavy weights consistently for years, and a highly controlled high-calorie diet, often with specific supplements. We're talking about a full-time job for professional athletes. For the average person hitting the gym a few times a week, lifting some dumbbells or doing a few squats, you are not going to wake up one morning looking like Arnold Schwarzenegger. It's just not how our bodies work, especially for women who have significantly lower levels of testosterone, the primary hormone responsible for massive muscle growth. So, what does happen when you lift weights? You build lean muscle tissue, and lean muscle is your best friend on a fitness journey. It's metabolically active, which means it burns more calories at rest than fat does. This helps to boost your metabolism around the clock. Lifting weights strengthens your bones, improves your posture, and gives you that strong, toned, and defined look that so many people are actually after. You won't get bulky, you'll get strong, lean, and confident. So please don't be afraid to pick up those weights. Okay, let's move on to myth number 2, another absolute giant in the fitness world. It's the idea that to lose weight, you need to chain yourself to the treadmill or the elliptical for hours and hours every single week. I see people slogging away, looking bored out of their minds, just running and running, thinking it's the only way to shift that body fat. Now don't get me wrong, cardio is brilliant. It's fantastic for your heart health, your lungs, your stamina, and your mental well-being. I love a good HIIT session. But is it the magic bullet for fat loss? Absolutely not. The truth is, when it comes to losing weight, your diet is king. You've probably heard the saying, you can't out-train a bad diet, and it is 100% true. You could run for an hour and burn, say, 400 calories, but you can eat that back in about 2 minutes with a couple of biscuits and a sugary drink. Sustainable fat loss comes from being in a consistent, sensible calorie deficit, meaning you're consuming slightly fewer calories than your body is burning. Focusing on eating nutritious whole foods, lean proteins, healthy fats, and lots of lovely veggies is the foundation of it all. So where does exercise fit in? Think of it as the ultimate tag team. Your nutrition creates the calorie deficit, and exercise, particularly a combination of strength training and cardio, accelerates your results. As we just talked about, strength training builds that lean muscle, which revs up your metabolism. And high-intensity interval training, or HIIT cardio, is brilliant because it's super time efficient and creates an afterburn effect, meaning you continue to burn calories long after you've finished your workout. So, stop the endless boring cardio and start thinking smarter. Nutrition first, then a smart mix of strength and HIIT. Right, this next one is a marketing dream, but a physiological nightmare. It's the myth of spot reduction. This is the belief that you can target fat loss from a specific area of your body by exercising that area. You know the drill, doing a million crunches to get rid of belly fat. endless tricep dips to banish bingo wings, or hundreds of inner thigh exercises to close a thigh gap. Every magazine and online ad promises a flat tummy in 5 minutes with this one magic exercise. I'm sorry to be the one to tell you, but it's a complete load of rubbish. Our bodies just don't work that way. When you lose fat, you lose it from all over your body, not from one specific spot you're working. Your genetics and hormones are the main factors that determine where your body stores fat and where it loses it from first. For many people, the stomach, hips, and thighs are the last places the fat comes off, which can be frustrating, I know. But doing thousands of crunches will only strengthen the abdominal muscles underneath the layer of fat. It won't magically melt that layer of fat away. So, what's the solution? It's all about overall total body fat loss. And how do we achieve that? You guessed it. It comes back to what we've already talked about, being in a consistent calorie deficit through proper nutrition, and building lean muscle all over your body with strength training to increase your metabolism. When you focus on losing fat from your entire body, you will eventually see results in those stubborn areas. So, ditch the tummy toning gimmicks and focus on a full body approach. Let's tackle a famous mantra, one that's been shouted in gyms for decades: no pain, no gain. It's this idea that for a workout to be effective, it has to hurt. You have to push yourself to the absolute brink of exhaustion, feel sore for days, and basically feel like you've been run over by a bus. This mindset is not only wrong, but it can be really dangerous. There is a massive difference between the discomfort of pushing your limits and the sharp shooting pain of an injury. We need to learn to tell them apart. Feeling a burn in your muscles during the last few reps of a set? That's good. That's your muscles working hard and creating the micro tears that lead to them growing back stronger. Feeling a bit of muscle soreness, or DOMS, delayed onset. Muscle soreness, a day or two after a tough workout, that's also normal, especially if you're new to exercise or tried something different. It's a sign your body is adapting. But feeling a sharp, stabbing, or grinding pain in a joint or a muscle during an exercise, that is not good. That is your body's warning signal, and you need to listen to it. Pushing through genuine pain is one of the fastest ways to get yourself a serious injury, which could put you out of action for weeks or even months. That's the opposite of progress. Fitness should be about building your body up, not breaking it down. A great workout is one that challenges you, leaves you feeling energized and accomplished, not broken and in agony. The goal is consistency, and you can't be consistent if you're always injured. So, let's change the mantra from no pain, no gain to no brain, no gain. Train smart, listen to your body, and live to train another day. And for our final myth, let's talk about the holy grail of fitness for so many people: getting a six-pack. The myth is that the secret to chiseled abs is doing hundreds, or even thousands, of crunches and sit-ups every single day. We've all seen it in movies, haven't we? The hero doing sit-ups in a dark room to prepare for a big fight. It's become this iconic image of AB training. But as we touched on in the spot reduction myth, it's just not the most effective way to go about it. Listen, everyone on this planet has abdominal muscles. Yes, you too. The reason most of us can't see them is not because our abs aren't strong, but because they're covered by a layer of subcutaneous fat. So the first and most important step to revealing your abs is to reduce your overall body fat percentage. And that comes down to, say it with me, a consistent calorie deficit through good nutrition. No amount of crunches will ever reveal your abs if your diet isn't on point. It's 80% nutrition, 20% training, if not more. So, should you stop training your core altogether? Of course not. A strong core is essential for almost every movement you do. It supports your spine, improves your balance, and helps you lift heavier and safer in your other exercises. But instead of just doing endless crunches, which only work a very small part of your abs, you should focus on compound exercises that engage your entire core. Think planks, leg raises, Russian twists, and even big movements like squats and deadlifts, which require massive core stabilization. A strong, functional core is the goal, and visible abs are simply a brilliant side effect of low body fat. And there we have it, team. 5 massive fitness myths, completely busted and thrown in the bin where they belong. I really hope this has cleared up some confusion for you. It's so easy to get overwhelmed by all the information out there, but remember, the fundamentals of fitness are actually quite simple. Eat well, move your body in a way you enjoy, be consistent, and listen to your body. Don't fall for the quick fixes or the marketing gimmicks. You've got this, and now you've got the facts on your side. I feel so much better now we've had this chat, and I hope you do too. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What are some of the craziest fitness myths you've ever heard or believed? Drop them down in the comments below. Let's get a conversation going and help even more people learn the truth. Your comment might be the one thing that helps someone else on their journey, so don't be shy. Get involved. It's all about supporting each other as a community. Finally, if you found this video helpful and you're ready to ditch the myths and build a healthy, sustainable lifestyle, then please do me a massive favor and hit that subscribe button and ring the little notification bell. I've got so much more to share with you, from workouts to recipes and more mindset tips. Thank you so much for watching. You are all legends. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video.